ChatGPT not responding? Here's how to fix it. Now, if your ChatGPT is not responding, first it depends upon whether you're using on mobile or on your browser. If you're talking that you're already logged into ChatGPT but it is lagging too much, it could have been there have been too many data. So you have to clear its memory first. So to clear your ChatGPT's memory, what you can do is you can simply go to the settings right here from ChatGPT. Then you can go to data controls, and under data controls you can clear all of the chat history. Once you clear all of the chat history on the data controls, you can also go to customize right here. You can go to memory and make sure to tap on manage memory. Even if you're on PC, that is the same thing, and you have to clear all the memory. In my case, I have disabled memory for this exact cause, but you can choose to also go ahead and then clear those memory. Now if that doesn't work, you can try to clear the cache files of your browser if you're using on browser. If you're on mobile, especially on Android, you can long press the ChatGPT icon and you'll find the I button that looks like this on any Android phone, by the way. So tap on this I button to take you to the app info page. From here you'll be able to go to storage, where you can tap on the clear cache and clear data button. Also check if you're using on the mobile app if the ChatGPT app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.